This is boring, but but it's very liberating. And so we have learned that yes, you can see things from the mental plane, but that doesn't do anything. That only limits usually the expression that two beings can have, for example, which is completely fine, right? People are where they're at, and it doesn't stop the soul from communicating. It's more like we are speaking from a soul level, and of course everything lights up then. And then we don't superimpose what it's supposed to be. That's our practice. We don't superimpose what it should be.
This is all nicpro.
But we try to do the best of our ability to
Fluid art approved.
so that we allow
Great for beginners. It's pre-mixed.
in the behavior, in the
You don't have to
and then
worry about
it becomes
mixing.
clear, right?
The differences, this paint is so brilliant. It doesn't mix at pretty much at all with the other colors. So I would say great if you're just starting out like me. Great if you like glossy finishes. A lot of the other paints I use are matte finish, so you have to use a pouring medium that adds to it. But I absolutely am so grateful to my kids for buying this for me for Christmas, because I have enjoyed it so much. As not having to worry about mixing and did I get the ratios right? Is it gonna work? Because it always does, and it looks so cool. You can be proud of what you do. Oh.
It is a complete reversal of thinking. Like you can't be where we're at and operate.
This is really nice.
But many beings are very close.
Very nice. I love it.
Of shift and perception shifts for many. And that's when we get really excited.
Just filling in some little spaces.
Maybe we can hang out.
Yeah.
You know, like
if it comes up on your Amazon and you're a beginner, go ahead and try it, because I love it. I absolutely love it.
For beings that are not fully aware of how they're using their energy. And so we are very grateful that when beings are actually calling out what they see, and they are open and curious to know more. And so we're really, really grateful for that.
Let's go in for a close-up.
Because it is a process
so beautiful
that more and more beings will have to go through in the coming years. This is what Kenneth is going through. This is just a preparation for what most beings will go through at some moment. And this is, it's when
the bubbles are from,
what do you think that is?
I just shook it up before I poured it.
It happens a lot through
so I'm going to hit it with a gun,
exclude sexual energy from
heat gun,
you cannot.
And blow off some of those bubbles. Let's see what it looks like.
That's the one that sort of helps
So yeah, it's kind of I love it. I want to do more, but it looks great just like it is. Have a happy day. I love you so much. please create and share your own creations, or if you'd like to see something, I would love to hear your ideas. Okay. Haha.